party till the morning and we'll do it all again.
Good morning, so welcome back to the channel. We're going to go through today how to get from Hua Hin to Bangkok on the train. We're going to be taking the new express train. I don't think it's been in operation for that long. It's the fastest train and it's the only train that runs from Hua Hin to Bangkok that is direct, as in there's no stops, there's no changes. You just get on the train and off you pop. So we're going to talk you through what you need to do, how much it costs, how long it takes, and the general process, the location, how to get there, etc. We're in La Casita, which is the condominium we've been staying in for the last few weeks. And if you'd like to check out the condominium review that we've done, have a look on our channel, you'll be able to see that video. Charlotte's just here fanning herself because she's hot. Hot stuff. It's a little bit drizzly and a little bit wet outside, so we're just sat in the sort of lobby area, waiting to make a move, debating whether to get back in the pool one last time, and yeah, then set off. So our train's at midday, it's at 12:30, and yeah, like I said, we'll show you how to get there. So stay tuned to hit that subscribe button for more great videos, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. Oh, the other thing I was going to say before I turn the camera off is that the checkout's a bit early here. So normally checkout generally is about 12 o'clock and even half 11. Here it's 11 o'clock. It seemed a little bit early. We couldn't check in until 3 PM and they're making us check out at 11. It's quite a big gap, isn't it? But c'est la vie. So we've just arrived at Hua Hin train station. We got dropped off by a Bolt. So those of you who don't know, the easiest way really to get about in Thailand is to either have a scooter or a car yourself, or if you haven't got one of those like we haven't, then use Bolt. So you can download that app on Google Play or Apple Store. Basically just log in. It allows you to set your location, put where you want to go. It comes up with a price, you accept it, you can pay with cash or card, and then they'll just pick you up and take you where you like to go. So it's really handy. So get Bolt before you come to Thailand. So this is Hua Hin train station, and we're going to show you where you get your tickets. So let's roll. You'll see as we walk through, and we've noticed it, there's a few places behind me there actually, but there's not there doesn't appear to be anywhere in here that there's like a cafe, or I can't even see any vending machines. So I suggest you eat or bring some food with you before you get here. I don't know what it's going to be like on the train. We're hoping it's a 3.5 hour journey to Bangkok on the express train, so we're hoping that there's going to be some food and drink available. We've got some water and some crisps and stuff, but that's it. So we'll see how we go. Right, I'll turn the camera around so you can see the train station for yourself. There's a parcels and baggage area. Let the beautiful Charlotte lead the way. If you want to landmark this, if you look for, I'll just show you across the road there, you can just see in between the scaffolding, just about there, there's that's Hua Hin, or Hua Hin Soi 80 walking street bar. Let's see if we can get at that a little bit better. If you pop that into Google Maps, or obviously the train station, but if you know where Soi 80 is, it's just at the end of that road. And this is the ticket area. So this is the ticket area here. It's all signposted in Thai and English, which is super helpful. Because we didn't know what we were doing, we come down about 3 or 4 days ago and bought our tickets, because you can buy them ahead of time. Now it says on Google that the ticket office closes at 5 PM, but actually we come, what time would you say we come down?
9 o'clock.
We come down about 9. We actually were down Soi 80 having a beer, and we thought, oh, we'll walk over to the train station, see if it is open or not. It was about 9 PM and the ticket office was still open. Now behind the desk you can, I don't know if you can see there where they're getting the tickets, but there's all the different trains that you can get to Bangkok. Now there's only one train that runs direct, so there's only one that you don't have to stop and change trains, and it's the express train, and that's the one we've gone for. It cost us 330 baht,
Yes.
Yeah, so 330 baht each, 660 baht in total. I believe you can, if you don't mind changing trains, or you get the slower train, and you can book like third class where there's no air conditioning and stuff, I believe you can get it for about I think it's about 100 baht. Someone said 94 baht. The one we paid for, obviously 330, but all the carriages have air conditioning. We don't have to change trains, and it's the quickest one. Instead of taking sort of 4.5 hours, it's only going to take, hopefully, fingers crossed, 3.5 hours. Right, so we just need to work out now how to get up to the train track, or the platform, because it's not here where you can see the track, it's upstairs. So there's a track upstairs, so we're just going to have a wander over to there. We'll let you know how we get on. So it looks like, well, we're just waiting to get on the train, basically. We're waiting for the train to arrive, and there's like a waiting area downstairs. We'll just give you a little spin around. So this is the waiting area. So that big silver thing there looks like, to me, like an escalator. And then you've got everyone sat here, including us. And then you've got the platforms there. It looks like and then it tells you where each platform's going on that sign. Just going onto that. So that's the sign there where it tells you where you're going. We're going to Bangkok over here, so we're on platform 2, hopefully. And then you've got an escalator, or what we believe to be an escalator there. So, yeah, it's a interesting way of doing it. So I don't really know why we can't go and wait up at the platform. But I guess we'll find out. So yeah, so far so good. What's the time?
2:10.
2:10. So I think the train's due to arrive at about 30:30. So yeah, we'll keep you updated and let you know how we get on. And is this actually an escalator, or is it just a set of silver stairs? We shall see. So we're up on the top platform now. You can just see behind me there is an elevator, just there if you need it. And then there's a set of escalators which are just this side. Now everyone's up at the top. So this is like a raised platform off of ground level. And we're just waiting for the train to arrive. So yeah, so far so good. There isn't much in the way of facilities here. There's no vending machines. It all looks like it's no smoking up here, which is not a bad thing. And yeah, the only thing left to do now is for the train to arrive, which I think I can hear it. I can hear something. Did you hear something then? No, it's just people's. No, it's not the train, it's the suitcase. There we are. Oh well. And yeah, there's plenty of other people here. So this is the 12:30 train? 2. That was 2. I keep saying 12:30. It's 2:30 train. And we're due to arrive into Bangkok at about 1600, so 6 PM. And then how we're going to get from our hotel, I'm not sure. We'll either get a Bolt or we'll try and get the BTS. So we'll wait for the train to arrive now. And when we get on, we'll do a little tour of the train and see what it's like. Fingers crossed it's all right. It says 2 there, but we're on car 1 as well. So it is 1. Okay.
Sometimes they don't get it quite right.
No, fair enough. Wait a minute, there'll be a rod coming off you. Yeah, we got to let them off, otherwise you can't get on, can you? Go on then. Like organised chaos, but it's pretty standard. Yeah. Oh wow, it's just like food and stuff. Okay. Ooh. Get squashed. Yeah, hopefully. Keep on going, keep on going. I think there'd be room to get our cases up, you know. Or do you get them behind them chairs? That's a good idea. Stick it, whack it in there. Well done. Right, we've got a place to stick our bags. The seats numbered, yeah, 24 and 23, is it? 23, 24, yeah, happy days. Gonna take that a minute. Stow our bags then, if you like. It's on you.
Stop me. Oh, more shiny.
Have I got anything in here that we might need? Don't think
so. So Gary's going to try and get our bags up there. And we've stowed our suitcases.
Move those up a little bit.
So we're on and the seats look quite comfy.
Oh, yeah, they are quite comfy.
And you've got a little footrest. What's that?
Sunglasses. She's got a shot.
Oh yeah, so I think we're on and ready to go, aren't we?
Yeah, I think so. Baggage stowed, bag stowed, on the train. Let's do this. So we're still on the train, as you can see. As we were like travelling along, at each stop people like were randomly like getting food and stuff. So I sort of got Google Translate out and found some nice Thai lady to help me out. And apparently you can pre-order food for the stops. So you speak to the train, what do you call it? Train guard. Yeah, speak to the train guard and ask him. There he is there. Friendly chap, selling water up and down. And they sort of pre-order it for the next station, and then when you stop, obviously they all come on. And then there's also food. So where did the food come on? What was the station? Ratchaburi. And there's also a load of sellers come on as the train stops, so selling all different things. And we picked up everything they had, basically, or one of everything they had. So that's some kind of sort of like coffee, chocolate, so like a mochaccino type thing. We've got a big pack of watermelon, some coconut jelly. I actually thought it was soup, but it was coconut jelly. We had 2 packs of noodles. They come in, it wasn't like mama noodles, it was like a little tray that had like pre-cooked dry-ish in like a, it wasn't like a wet noodle, like a soup, was it? It was like
a pad thai, but
yeah, a bit like a pad thai, but we've already eaten those because we're starving. So they've gone, and yeah, and it was and some meat on a stick. So we got 3 meat on a stick pork sticks with rice, and that was, I think that was 20 baht.
that was 30 baht.
Well, that was 30 baht. The watermelon was 40, jelly was 20, and the drink was 30 or 40? 40. So what's that? Oh, and the noodles were 20 each. So what does that add up to? About 200 baht?
Yeah.
So it's about £5, £4 or £5, something like that. So yeah, quite impressed. What do you think?
Good job.
Love a train snack. I think so far this has been like my favourite way to travel so far. It's you can get up and obviously they've got toilets on board. It's nice and cool, and they've got us loads of food. So yeah, fat and happy. So we've arrived in central Bangkok. This is not the name of the place here. And now we need to find the BTS and then a SkyTrain. We're staying on Nana on Sukhumvit Road. So yeah, we're going to work that out. Not so sure where we're going or what we're doing, but we'll figure it out. Let's go. Everyone seems to be getting the escalator, so I guess we do that. it. Let's see if we can work out the BTS. We've been kind of dreading this, but apparently it's fairly easy, so famous last words, but we shall see. Right, let's head off. Whoa. MRT Blue Line, commuter train, MRT Blue Line, Bangkok bus terminal. There's a load of signs.
Is it the MRT we need?
Yeah, I don't know.
Or the SRT?
Where have you seen SRT? So, SRT that way, taxis that way, bus stop that way. I reckon, well, everything seems to be pointing in this direction, so let's try it. That says long distance train. Oh well.
The guy did say to see the ticket office, so
Yeah. We'll see if we can find a ticket office. He did, yeah, we spoke to this nice Australian chap on the train, and he was pointing us in the right direction. Just said basically go downstairs and find one of the ticket desks, and they'll steer you from there. I think the line's the green line. I can't see any signs for green line. We've just got blue line here, so we'll see. But it doesn't matter if it takes us a bit of time. It takes us a bit of time. It's half the fun of discovering it for yourself, I suppose.
Underground passage. I think the BTS is underground and the SkyTrain's above ground.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure the SkyTrain's above ground. We'll see. I don't actually sort of, know for sure, but found a ticket office. That's pretty cool. Apart from it's empty. We'll keep going. So there's an information desk up here, so we'll work it out. Right, I think what I'll do is I'll pop the camera off, and then once we sort of figure out where we need to go, we'll pop it back on. Hello. So I just picked the ticket up from the ticket office. Basically, just after, well, all we did is you can get a ticket from the ticket machine, or you can queue up and ask, and they've told me which platform I need to go on. So we're headed to Nana. So basically, what we needed to do was just come down both sets of escalators to the bottom, and then get the blue line. It's platform 1. We've got a couple of, well, it's 88 baht to get there for 2 of us. We've got 2 tokens, and yeah, let's crack on. Film it. Hello. So I hope you found that video informative, getting from Hua Hin to Bangkok and Nana. It was pretty hectic. Once we got off the BTS and tried to get the SkyTrain, it was just so busy. It was rush hour. There was just no opportunity to sort of film. But hopefully you've gathered some value from that anyway, and we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment if you've got any questions about it, and we can try our best to answer it. Or if you just like the video and you want to leave a comment, that'd be great. Hit the notification bell as well, so that'll just inform you when we post a new video. And as always, yeah, thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and yeah, see you in the next one.
Wake up, party till the morning, and we'll do it all again.